Let's see how to add and use voice support to GitHub Copilot Chat. Once added, you will see a speech icon here. Now go to Extensions and search for GitHub Copilot Voice. You can see that this GitHub Copilot Voice extension is deprecated. Click on it to see the new extension to use. Now you can see the new extension to use is VS Code Speech, so click on it to open. Click on Install button to install the extension. Now the extension is installed globally. So let's head over to the chat icon, which is our GitHub Copilot extension, to see the speech support added. Let's try to use the speech support by speaking some prompt actions for GitHub Copilot to perform.
Refactor this function.
If you could see, the prompt got entered into the chat and GitHub Copilot starts to act. Wow, so instant! As a developer, I find this support super helpful, productive, and fun to work with my code. Thanks for watching. Happy coding with AI Copilots.